What's up, guys? Welcome to DKY Media 56. Today we are in Master Kofi Abodie Motor Fitting Shop. If you are in Atebebu or anywhere closer to Atebebu, you can come here and repair your motor bicycles, other motor bicycle or tricycle. He's able to do everything that you need. You see this motor security there? We are come to fix everything into complete motorbike. If this is your first time watching us, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You like, you share and comment. He is able to do anything about your motorbike. Even not even motorbike, if you have full pounding machine which have fault, you can also come here. We fix everything, engine, overhauling, anything. If you want to fix your rings, whatever you want from him to do for you on your motor bicycles, you can contact him. You see all this he's fixing. You see the engine down there. Look at this bike also, motorbike also. He's going to fix everything into a complete useful motorbike. Just look how he's repairing this one. Just look at it. He's now fixing this engine. Yeah. This motor engine. Motor tank. After he will fix it. This down there is crankshaft. Yeah, crankshaft, motor crankshaft. And this also engine block. He's fixing engine block on this motorbike. This new engine block, he's going to put it. You see? So don't forget to subscribe to DKY Media 56 on YouTube, and also share and comment and like. He is located in Atebebu, in Mem Road, opposite ODK Electrical Shop. So you can contact him for your motorbikes, anything about engine, like motor, like plant, generators and other things. You can contact him. Just look at how he's repairing this, how he do his things. Just watch and learn from him. Gradually learn from him. I hope you are learning. Got it. Wow. Just look at this step by step and learn something from it. I'm very sure you can also apply it. It's not all the time you can contact somebody for repairing your motorbike for you. Sometimes you need to also know something about it, a little thing about your motorbike, so that you can also repair it by yourself without contact any motor repairer. You see the exhaust. Yeah, you see how he have taken out everything from this fork. You see the motor flame. Yeah, he have removed everything from the flame. This is 2015 motorbike. He's repairing now. You see, he have changed these tools to this one standing there. This is the old one, and this is the new flame. So he's going to fix everything into a complete motorbike. The ending will shock you. All these motorbikes are here for repairing. This is the reason why I'm telling you should watch and learn from him. Every day he's busy, and busy. This is also his contact. You can contact him on 0594917978. If you are not in Ghana, you can add the Ghana code, which is +233. This Master Abodie shops. Yeah, they have brought their bicycle. They have brought their motorbikes for repairing. Just look at how he's fixing it. Learn from it. It will help you one day. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, but in future, it will help you. Look at it. This is DKY Media 56. We travel with you around the globe. We also show you how to come out with a new idea. Yeah. You see, this motor is under repairing. We have come to solve everything, any issue. You see, this is the KY Media CEO. You can also help us subscribe to our new channel, Tech Pro GH. This channel will teach you how to make money online through using your social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Yeah, we are still there. You see how the workers and his clients are all happy because his work is very neat. Yeah, this is Master Kofi Abodie motor fitting shop. If you are in Atebebu, just call him on the following contact. Yeah. And the environment is also comfortable for everyone to live there. Green grass around him. Yeah, this the man I was talking about. The man in the blue shirt. He's the boss here. He's the Master Kofi. Master Kofi shop. I was just making fun of him. Don't forget to subscribe. You like, share, and comment. This is DKY Media 56 on YouTube. They have all come to repair their bicycles, motor bicycles. Wow. This is a very happy place to come. You laugh, you learn, be entertained, and the clients are also friendly to everyone. You see? It's DKY Media. Subscribe.